Hey everyone, and welcome! Ever feel like your website's search results page is a bit blah? In this video, I'll show you how to completely transform it using JupyterX, Elementor, and the Layout Builder. We're talking custom designs, archive-specific widgets, and a search results page that actually wows your visitors. And if you're new here, JupyterX is a WordPress theme that supports Elementor, no Elementor Pro needed, with 200,000 plus users, 450 plus ready sites, and WooCommerce features that replace many paid plugins. By the end of this, you'll be a search results page wizard. Okay, let's jump into the JupyterX settings and head over to the Layout Builder. Next, I'll select Archive since we're creating a template for archive pages, like our search results page. Now, I'm clicking Add New to create our search results layout. Let's give our layout a name by clicking in the name field. This will help us identify it later. Let's give our layout a name by typing in the name field. I'll call it Search Result. Now I'm going to click Create to create our new layout. By default, JupyterX loads a library window, so you can choose a pre-built template. But since we're going to create one from scratch, we don't need this. Now, you can insert any widgets you like on this page. However, some widgets are particularly important. The Advanced Post widget, for example, will populate the search results with the posts that users are looking for. There are also other widgets, such as the archive title, which are archive-specific. So let's start by clicking on the Search Widgets input box. We will begin by adding a title widget. I'll type archive into the search widget input field to quickly find what I need. Now I'll drag and drop the archive title widget from the Elements panel into the main content area. Okay, this widget is going to dynamically display the title of our archive page right here on the search results page. Pretty neat, huh? Great! One more time, let's click on Add Element. We're going to add an Advanced Posts widget to show our search results. If you're using WooCommerce, the Products widget works just as well. Alright, I'll drag the Advanced Posts widget from the Elements panel and drop it into the main content area. This widget will display the actual search results. Now the important part. Let's open up the query settings first. Here you should toggle the Is Archive Template option to Yes. With the Is Archive Template option enabled, our search results page is almost ready. Now when someone searches on our website, they will actually see relevant posts. Also remember that in case you used Products widget instead of Advanced Posts, you should change the filter option to Search Result. Now that we've configured the Advanced Posts widget, let's go ahead and publish these settings. I'm clicking the Publish button to set the conditions for where this template will display. To specify where this template will be used, I'll click on Add Condition. Then open the drop-down menu to choose a condition. Now, select Archive from the drop-down menu. And then, select a more detailed location. From this list, I'll select Search Results, so this layout applies specifically to search results pages. Alright, now that we've set the display condition to search results, I'm clicking Save and Close. This ensures that our custom layout is applied when someone performs a search on our site. Let's search for something to test and see if our result page is working. As you can see, scrolling through the results, this is the page title and a bunch of posts that are relevant to our search keyword. Alright, that's how you create a stunning, custom search results page in JupyterX. Now go out there and make those search results pages sing. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!